Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the monitor. This prevents shorts and resets any locking mechanisms. Once done, disconnect every cable and label them so reassembly is simple. Lay the monitor face down on a soft, flat surface to access the stand mount without scratching the screen. Now gather tools: a Phillips driver, the correct hex key for the stand bolts, and a small flat pry tool for trim clips. Make sure screws go into a ziplock so nothing gets lost. Then move to the back panel. You'll now remove the back panel to expose the stand mount bolts. First, spot and remove all visible screws around the bezel and the VESA cover. Some screws hide under rubber feet or stickers. Once screws are out, use a flat pry tool and run it gently along the seam to release plastic clips. Slow, steady pressure prevents cracking. If the stand uses a release latch or hidden button, press or slide it while supporting the stand. This frees the mount so you can access the bolts for the next step. You're at the final step. Supporting the monitor, use the correct screwdriver or hex key to remove the stand bolts while holding the stand to keep it from dropping. Once the bolts are out, lift the stand straight away from the mount. Twisting can damage the bracket. Inspect the mount and connector for stripped threads or broken tabs. If something is damaged, replace the bracket or use a VESA adapter. Troubleshooting tip: if the stand won't release, check for hidden screws under stickers or a clip still engaged before forcing it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.